Hey everyone, I'm Connor and welcome to my channel The Closet. If it's your first time here on my channel, I like to talk about all things luxury, so if that's something you're into, I would love it if you could hit the subscribe button and the bell button so you're notified when I bring out new videos. And if you're returning, welcome back to my channel. Now before I get into this video, I just want to let you all know that I currently have COVID. I tested positive a few days ago and it's been an absolute roller coaster of hell, but I'm still a bit brain foggy even today. I woke up and I'm just a bit out of it, so apologies if I'm a bit slow or things don't make sense, more so than they normally do when I talk, but I just could not wait to film this video because this bag is epic. Oh my god, absolutely in love with this bag. So basically, the reason why I bought this bag was totally off the cuff, I guess, but I was looking for a blue bag to add into my collection. I wanted something that was fun and vibrant, and I literally Googled blue designer bags, right? Original, but that's how I did it. And then this popped up and I was like, you're coming home with me, sister. So let's get right into it. So after I found this bag, I wanted to do a bit of research, but I could not find any info on it online. There was no YouTube unboxings, no reviews. No one had posted about it on Instagram. I searched the hashtag, I searched everything. I could not find anything. So it kind of intrigued me to get it more because I'm like, I'm the first. But when I saw this color on Loewe's website, I was like, oh my god, that is beautiful. That is exactly what I'm looking for. It's the perfect shade of blue, and I just knew that it would go with my style and I just had to have it. I went to purchase it on Loewe's website, but they were sold out of this color because it's very popular at the moment. And so I did a bit more searching. They had it available on 24S, and they also had it available on Mr. Porte, and I just pulled the trigger and I bought it from Mr. Porte. It came yesterday, so it took about 4 or 5 days to come, and let's just open it up. Woo! All the paperwork out of the way so you just get all that jazz. Oh my gosh, this bag! It's the Loewe dust bag. Oh my god, it is so pretty. Are you ready? Oh my god, look at this bag, everyone. Now this is the Loewe mini puzzle bum bag in their current season blue, and the color is called cyan, and it is breathtaking. Like, hello, you live here now. I just can't, like, that color, even with what I'm wearing. Imagine me rocking up to get my milk, like, I have arrived. Like, it is just so, so beautiful. They have nailed it, honey. So, I'm just gonna take off all the tags. I'll just read the swing tag. So it is the mini puzzle bum bag in cyan, shop tag for you for the name. Let's just clip her in. Let's get that bum bag ASMR. We're living for it, honey. Alrighty, so it is in the soft grained calf skin, and it is beautiful, soft, supple, squishy, luxurious, and it is just absolutely epic. Now this has this beautiful brushed palladium hardware that just contrasts with the blue so perfectly, and it is right up my alley. So the reason why I chose to get this bag was because I was actually on the hunt for a designer bum bag, and I was looking at some of the ones from Gucci, but I knew that because bum bags are quite fun, I wanted to get something that was seasonal, and Gucci, especially with their Lunar New Year collections, they always bring out really good fun variations of their bum bags. So I was kind of waiting for them to bring up something quite fun, but nothing really kind of spoke or, was hitting the nail on the head, so to speak. And I was also after a blue bag, like I've referenced on my Instagram before, and I wanted something that was in that right shade of blue that was neutral for me, or that would go with a lot of the things I have and kind of make it pop. I've spoken about before, my favorite kind of shade of blue is like electric blue or royal blue, but it's a bit of a catch-22 because I love that shade of color, but I find it really hard to style with the things that I wear, and I find it very difficult to kind of just match with outfits. It kind of just either takes over or it stands out, it doesn't flow. And I know that this kind of shade of blue though does, because it's a bit more softer and it kind of bounces off the colors I wear, like navy, grey, browns, beiges. Like it really goes with that. So for me, it's the perfect kind of pop of neutral color. Also the fact that it has this beautiful brushed palladium hardware was a bonus, because it kind of softens the blue, but it doesn't kind of take over. And I think like shiny palladium hardware would have equally gone with this bag, but the kind of the brush just gives it that bit more muted feel, and it doesn't take over the color. So I'm really happy that they did that. And let's kind of go over the bag, I guess. I'm a bit like, am I speaking properly? This COVID is doing my head in. So basically it is the mini size, and it has the kind of reverse layout to a traditional puzzle bag. I'm just going to go and get my my small normal puzzle bag so I can show you what I mean. So this is my small puzzle bag in the soft caramel colour in the grained calfskin, and as you can see there is no zipper on the front, but there is on the back of the bag, whilst on this bum bag they've got the zipper on the front and then nothing on the back of the bag. So they've kind of mixed up the layout a bit, which is kind of cool, because obviously you wouldn't want anything on the back because it's going to be on your body. So I like that they've kind of kept to the classic design but then mixed it up a little bit. So there is the one zip on the front, which is lined in the herringbone canvas on the inside there. It's quite a decent pocket for a little bag, and yeah, it's definitely not something that I would call redundant, especially on a lot of small bags. I find the front pockets can be a bit redundant, but they've actually done it quite deep and generous there. Then under the flap, it also has that perfect unsinged ending like I love on the puzzle bag, so you can get your hand in there and really like make good practical use of the bag, which I absolutely love. Oh, what's inside? There's presents. It's the care booklet, and then the artisan approval card thing that they put in their bags. So then on the inside it's just one big pocket. There is no slips or anything like that because it's such a small bag. It's probably quite silly to do so. And then there is the Loewe made in Spain tag, and there's also another, I don't know if it's light grey or pink, but it's the serial number tag as well, the date code. I'm not sure what they use. So basically it's pretty simple, but it is perfect for a bum bag. Then the other thing that I was quite intrigued about this bag, and because like I was saying before, there's no info, no videos or anything like that, how they were going to maneuver the adjustments, because bum bags of course are pretty pointless if you can't adjust them, because obviously we're all different sizes, we all have different comfort levels. And with bum bags you can wear them many different ways. You can wear them around your waist, you can wear them across your chest, you can wear them across your back. So making it adjustable and adjustable in lots of different notches is is of course incredibly important. Now the way that they've designed the adjustment system is incredibly clever. It's not cumbersome like a lot of other, you know, pulley systems I guess you'd call it with these designer bags, where they're so cumbersome to adjust it that once you've got it kind of set at one style you can never be bothered to mix it up. But the way that they've done this is genius, and it's adjustable on both sides. So to change it you basically just undo the buckle, and then you go onto the inside of the strap where you can see all the notches there. You just simply remove this notch and you pull the strap through to the desired length you want, like this. So say you want it that extra bit longer, and then you push the notch through the little hole, and then you pull this back up, and then it's changed. Like, it's so simple, it's smooth, it's not rigid, and it's just genius. Like, Loewe nail these things. It's just amazing, and I love it. I absolutely love it. The detail, of course, on this bag has not been missed, where they've got the Loewe anagram logo, they've got the name on the hardware there, they've got Loewe on the zipper pulls there. It's just incredible. This bag also has the blind embossed anagram logo here as well, and this is just a really beautiful handmade leather bag, and it is just absolutely perfect. I cannot wait to wear this. There's a few styles I want to try out and some mod shots I want to do, but at the time present, I'm just admiring this bag because it's beautiful. Once I'm better and I can go out in public again, I'm going to be doing a full review of this bag, just because there's no videos out there, there's no information, and I know a lot of people are really interested in this bag because it's so cute and fun. But I'll quickly just go over the basics now. So just to give you some context, my small puzzle is in the grained calf skin, but this is in the smooth calf skin. So just to give you a visual of the leathers there, it's very, very smooth when compared to the small puzzle, but it's not delicate like lambskin is. Like if you're picturing lambskin from Chanel, where it's very, very smooth and soft, this still has quite a significant grain in it. And I would probably compare the grain in it to Swift leather from Hermes, which I guess is quite misunderstood, where people think it is a soft leather so it's delicate, but it's actually quite hardy. You can kind of run your fingers over it and it's not leaving scratches. So I think the subtle grain in it really does kind of give you that added durability, I guess, versus lambskin where there is no grain. It is just so smooth that when you do scratch it, it comes up really quickly, or it's quite prominent. I do actually have my Hermes Calvi, my special order Calvi in Swift leather, so I think that's a great kind of comparison to show you just how similar the leathers actually are. They actually, up close, they look incredibly similar actually. I'm quite surprised that it's not referenced more how similar they are, but the grain is just very, very prominent on both of them, and it's a very, yeah, it's like a funny feeling. It's like luxurious but durable at the same time, which I absolutely love. So here it is, my Loewe mini puzzle bag in the soft grain leather, the brushed palladium hardware, and the colour cyan. I always think of printer cartridges. You know how they have the colours like cyan, black, and all of that, and that's what it reminds me of. But I cannot wait to wear this bag. You're definitely going to be seeing mod shots, and you're going to get a full review on it, how it compares with my other puzzle bag, and pros and cons, all of that once I've given it a good wear. But thank you so much for watching this video. I do apologize if I am up and down or I'm not my normal self. I've got so much brain fog, I can't even say it, so much brain fog from COVID, it's ridiculous. I can't concentrate, but I just had to get this video out because I really wanted to share with all of you. Thank you so much for everyone who's messaged me and asked if I needed anything or wanted to send me stuff. I really, really do appreciate it. But if you could also hop onto Instagram, follow my new account, theclosetbyconnor_. I would love it if we could connect on there as well. Pop it all down in the comments down below, and make sure you give this video the thumbs up as well, as it helps out my channel. But I hope to see you all next time, where I'm hopefully feeling a lot better. And yeah, thanks so much, guys.